Hello and welcome to May 3, Season 2, Episode 4. In this edition of May 3, we have Versatile Enterprises talking to us about knitted fabrics and how knit uppers provide a comfortable cushioning for the ankles and balanced arch support that can make people more comfortable. Versatile was established in 1974 by the most respectable founders, late O.P. Seth and late D.V. Seth. Since then, Versatile has not only established themselves in the footwear industry but also successfully stepped and diversified in apparel manufacturing. Versatile Group has been catering to the ever changing consumer requirement and quality control with specific emphasis on innovation and new technology delivery. Let us hear Mr. Dhruv Seth, Director and Partner of Versatile Group, speak.
Welcome to the brief insight of Versanet. Let me begin by introducing our group, which is Versatile Group of Industries. We started our group around 47 years back. We have diverse product range of laminated fabrics, footbeds, knitted shoe uppers, artificial fur fabrics, garment-like fabric, and have our own garment unit with a vertical setup. We work with international renowned brands.
Mr. Dhruv Seth, please tell us about the many challenges in terms of increasing sustainability in the footwear industry and about the biodegradable fabrics from Versatile Group.
Previously knitted shoe uppers attuned with the future. As you are well aware of the fact that the global footwear industry faces many challenges in terms of increasing sustainability. As the global population keeps increasing, so will the demand for products and footwear. Biodegradable fabrics such as cotton, wool, bamboo, linen, and a few more which are locally available will be helpful to make footwear production less toxic and eco-friendly. The main strategic factors for sustainability are minimization of material and energy use, implementation of eco-friendly processes and materials, optimizing the life cycle of the product by designing long-lasting and durable products, prolonging the life of materials and easy disposal.
How does one go about sourcing the material and the design inspiration?
The materials and their sourcing is extremely important in order to design with an ecological mindset. This may be attained by inculcating any of the following measures: resourcing from organic farming produce, biodegradable and recyclable materials, and from local materials.
Dhruv, please tell us about Versatile's introduction of knit uppers and your outreach.
Introducing knitted uppers, which uses the state-of-the-art integral knitting techniques to create a one-piece upper which is virtually seamless. The Versanet uppers is engineered for precision fit and aims to create the feeling of a second skin for runners.
Fatigue can be a major nagging problem for those who stand all day, especially on hard surfaces like concrete. How durable is Versanet upper?
Versanet upper provide a comfortable cushioning for the ankles and the balanced arch support that can make people more comfortable, alleviating any unnecessary strain on muscles, resulting in less fatigue. Versanet footwear stands up to the tough conditions you face in the field, and it is exceptionally durable even when repeatedly exposed to extreme environment. It keeps your feet dry while resisting moisture.
Muscles in the feet, the legs, back, and other important parts of the body can grow tired, especially when someone doesn't wear appropriate footwear. How does Versanet help?
The product is a metal-free product. Our knitted upper is made of high-quality breathable material. Fatigue can be a major nagging problem for those who stand all day, especially on hard surfaces like concrete. Muscles in the feet, the legs, back, and other important parts of the body can grow tired, especially when someone does not wear appropriate footwear. Our knitted upper is a solution to such problems.
How environmentally sustainable is the knitted upper from Versatile? Or in a nutshell, what is the environment benefit of Versa Knit?
Versanet upper uses a complex combination of modern technique. Yarns and fabric variations are precisely engineered only where they are needed for a featherweight, form-fitting and virtually seamless upper. Environmental sustainable benefit of knitted upper is that it reduces waste because the one-piece upper does not use the multiple materials and material costs used in traditional sports footwear manufacturing.
Transforming the industry to usher in a new life requires system level change with an unprecedented degree of commitment, collaboration, and innovation. How do you plan to bring a systematic change to the sports shoe manufacturing industry?
This is an important step in signaling the type of systematic innovation and collaboration required to unlock a future that protects our customers and the planet while also powering sustainable business growth. But this type of systematic change cannot happen overnight or in a bubble. An open innovation culture is crucial, and this makes a strong case that pre-competitive collaboration between brands and producers is a key step in the transition to a better vendor-vendor relationship. Versanet is a truly minimalistic design with a maximum return.
The CSIR CLRI has always pitched and remained focused on design innovation, R&D, and technology needs for the footwear, accessories, and footwear components sector. How is Versatile Group investing in innovation and technology?
Transforming the industry to usher a new life requires system-level change with an unprecedented degree of commitment, collaboration, and innovation. With specific emphasis on innovation towards a different system, a new type of technology presents an opportunity to deliver substantially better economic, societal, and environmental outcomes. We all must start pursuing new business models that move away from the take, make, and waste linear models of the past.